Hi folks, Craft here. This will be a shorter video because most of my time was spent scratching my head, but let's just jump into it. I'm taking the headstock apart to see why the speed control isn't working, and generally learning how this machine goes together. While getting this up, it is important to lock it in place with the locking screw down here at the bottom. Anyone with a Shopsmith will know this little tool. Most of the construction uses these hex screws, and without your handy hex key, you'll be the one screwed. I want to take the headstock off, so I'll take off the locking mechanism that also acts as a retainer for the stock, and then prop the rail up with some 4x4s and slide it off. Quite a few screws are missing from it, and I'll have to replace them before everything goes back together, but for now, it's making taking this apart a breeze. Sliding the bottom off reveals the motor is directly mounted to the bottom housing, so I'll take the side cover off first. It still looks to be in great shape with only minimal rust. I'm going to order new labels and then paint all these parts, but that's a later step in this bigger project. To separate the motor, I need to take off the switch key that holds the switch. To do this, I just use a flathead screwdriver and windle in circles. Here you can see what that looks like. But don't forget the hex washer on the back side. And here is the motor separated as well. The housing also has some minor rusting, and I'll clean all of that up before painting it. Using some canned air, I cleaned out most of the dust so I can see what the hell I'm doing. Now that I can see the speed assembly, I can finally start diagnosing this. If you have a keen eye, you might have already spotted the problem, but turning the speed controller does kinda move the control sheaves. But the worm screw should not move like that. It should be straight as an arrow. Here's a better view of what I'm talking about. Unfortunately, this is not something I can fix, so my only option is to order a new one. Luckily for me, Shopsmith sells all the Mark V parts. And before I sign off, a quick tip. Get yourself one of these magnetic bowls when taking apart anything. They're a lifesaver and keeps all your loose pieces safe from spills and disaster. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. I'll have a link to my social media in the description below, and if you want to see any of the crazy things I'll be getting up to in the future, please consider liking, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell. As always, stay kind to yourself, stay kind to others, and be good. Thank you, and bye bye.